today to SAC Stories episode 2. We've got an exciting term ahead with 2 big events coming up this term, the Colour Fun Run and the SAC Big Splash. There's plenty of energy building already and we can't wait to see everyone get involved, show their house spirit and make some contributions to support Mercy Works and have some fun along the way. So, today I'm here with one of our jam leaders, Taya,
Hello.
and one of our sports leaders, Jasmine,
Hi.
representing their areas and sharing their insights. So, why don't we talk about our outfit choices for today?
Ooh, why not? So I'm the obvious testing dummy for some of the Colour Run colours. All over my shoes, all over my pants, and on the back, the Year 12s get to decorate their own shirts. So I've got that. And I did a Little Miss Chatterbox on the back for, I don't know why, no one could tell me why I was Miss Chatterbox. You'll have to infer for yourself, but with a little senior graduating cap on the top of it.
So why don't you tell us about what Colour Fun Run is about?
So Colour Fun Run is an event where everyone in the school gets to miss out on school for a few hours and run around at the, which course is it?
Victoria Park.
Victoria Park, I knew that. Victoria Park and get splashed by teachers with some colour and maybe potentially what people are dreaming of is that we get to splash the teachers in reverse.
So, let me get this straight. So basically, students run the course and teachers just stand there and splash us all with colour.
Pretty much, yes.
So what would happen if we reverse the roles? Do you think teachers would be interested?
That's what I'm saying. I think that's the dream event.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you think, Jasmine?
I feel like that would be a dream event. Imagine getting splashed one of your teachers.
Oh, yeah, like right there?
Yeah, right there.
But I also feel like it's probably some good therapy for the teachers.
I mean, definitely not us.
No, I'm sure they spend like all their weekends of marking our very, very long essays, feeling very excited for Colour Fun Run.
Exactly. So, I'm going to draw my eyes to this beautiful white tutu.
Yes.
So, what's our outfit for today, Jasmine?
The outfit choice has been Emma from the Wiggles. So the theme for Swimming Carnival this year is dress as something from the year you were born. So I've dressed up as Emma from the Wiggles with like a yellow thing, which did not fit, obviously. We just leave that there. But yeah.
But in spirit, it's Emma from the Wiggles.
Exactly.
Yes.
So we've heard some whispers in the halls that Swimming Carnival has been reinvented this year.
Yes, it's been called the Big Splash.
Yeah, so tell us all about it.
So the day will start off with synchronized swimming, a year 11-12 competition.
Better get your swim on, guys.
And St. Teresa will be winning.
Yeah, we'll see about that. Yeah, we'll see about that.
Okay.
And then we'll have the Whibbit. So each year level will be... So it's an inflatable obstacle course. And then each year level gets to go on it for 30 minutes, except for the year 6s who get an hour.
So I'm very jealous.
Oh, yes.
And there's also a water polo competition between the houses.
Is this between the houses in like different year levels or just one particular, or is it like in the one year level?
It's like combined year levels, yeah.
Oh, some community spirit,
Yes.
some community bonding.
And once again, St. Teresa will be winning. So
We'll just see about that.
We'll see how long they hold on to their championship.
A very long time is the answer.
Okay. So let's be honest. Are we here for a big splash? Are we here for the vibes or the events?
I feel like, personally, I'll be there for the vibes of the Whibbit.
Of the Whibbit?
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
of
I'm
course.
excited now that I know what it is.
The water polo. And the synchronized swimming. Oh, that would just be so much fun to watch everyone do it.
Now, with the synchronized swimming, do we all have to come up with our own routine before we get into the pool, or are we like going with the flow?
Oh, so each house will get time to practice.
Oh, it's
on
a
land.
house? Oh,
Yeah,
it's a house
thing,
synchronized
yes.
swimming. Okay.
So each house from year 11 to 12 will get their time to practice on land, and then we'll see it all in water on the day.
Hopefully it doesn't get worse the moment it gets in the water.
Oh, 1,000%.
Yes.
Now, I have a question for the Colour Fun Run in general. If you had to convince someone to come along for the Colour Fun Run, what would we say?
Okay, well, I would say biggest point, you get to miss out on a bit of school to support a charity and to get splashed with colour.
1,000%. Yeah.
You end up looking like a really fun piñata.
Now, from what I remember for Colour Fun Run, we have an aiming goal for the proceeds we're trying to reach. So what goal is that?
We're currently trying to raise for $10,000.
$10,000, and where will all these proceeds go?
different Mercy works like Catherine House, the Adelaide Day Centre, all the main ones that SAC supports, all the ones linked through Catholic Mercy Education, all very important ones that I think, especially today, are very important social issues. Homelessness is so big in Adelaide. I think for us to be doing such a fun event that creates such an important impact is something really important.
You could switch birth years, what year would you go to?
The 2000s.
2000s?
Really?
Early 2000s, late 2000s?
I would say early 2000s because you're there for that peak music era.
Oh,
when the
1000%.
music's like
That's
really good.
So if you were in those years, who would you have dressed up for?
Ooh, maybe like the Spice Girls or something.
Ooh.
That was very popular.
And who would be your favourite Spice? Who is your favourite Spice?
Posh, I think.
Posh Spice?
Yeah.
I'm more Ginger Spice.
I like Mean Spice.
Oh, okay. And if your house had a slogan for the carnival, what would it be? Actually, what are our houses?
Can you guess? From some previous comments.
I'm going to
before.
take a guess. Claire's.
Oh, so close. It's actually St. Teresa's.
So what would your slogan be for St. Teresa's?
That is a great question. I would say, well, okay, St. Teresa's are quite loud. They're quite competitive.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I would say like something about be loud, be proud, no inside voice or something.
Oh, I kind of like that. I like that bit of rhyme.
Thank you.
And then for you, Jasmine?
Oh, so I was originally in St. Margaret,
Mm-hmm.
so I would say we're a very competitive house, very fun-spirited. I would say that our slogan is, we're here to win and have fun.
Oh, I think we have some tension going on between our two teams.
There's no tension. St. Teresa's is winning.
Oh, okay.
We'll see
Ooh,
about
we'll
that.
We'll see.
see.
So, with the Colour Fun Run, what's the one bit of the obstacle course that you're both looking forward to?
The water slide. That bit.
The water
The
slide.
water slide is fun, but I feel like sometimes I get too scared to do it because I don't
Like you don't want to like get
But-
oh yeah, I know what you mean.
But it is really fun.
I like, okay, this is very basic, but I kind of like just the walk around the Victoria Park. Like, you know, that warm-up walk that we get. Oh, okay.
Okay.
So that warm-up walk we get as
Yeah.
an entire group just walking
Oh
around
yeah,
Victoria
talking
Park.
to everyone is
Yeah,
really
like you-
nice. Yeah.
Okay, I guess I have
I
one
guess.
supporter. Okay.
But then there's also getting sprayed with colour,
Colour.
so I feel we know the better answer.
I also like the crawling when you
Oh,
do
yes,
the
under
under
the
the
net,
net.
under the
I
net.
agree. I'm trying to think. No, you know what's actually the best part? Is just before you run on when Tony, the maintenance guy, has
yeah.
so much fun spraying you with
Oh,
water.
Yes,
with the
too
water.
much. And you're trying to like run away from
and you're trying to,
him.
as
Yeah.
soon as you get eye contact with Tony, just
It's
know,
over.
that you're done.
And he gets this mischievous, evil look on his face. He's so excited. I think it's the highlight of his day.
I think so. I think spraying everyone with that water, hose,
Yeah.
blah, blah, blah. So how long of the day is Big Splash aiming to be?
I think it's gonna start at 9 o'clock
Mm-hmm.
and run until 2:30 with like the normal races, your traditional races, and then all the fun activities as well.
So we heard that there's also going to be some experience racing for like the freestyle, the backstroke, the butterfly,
Yep.
and we get house points towards the teams. Do we know what amount of house points we may be getting, or is this up in the air and we find out?
I'm not really sure about that. I think
Yeah.
I don't know.
I actually am not sure.
Yeah.
Are you going to be doing the experience for swimming?
Ooh, I'll
Do
give
you
like
get to
a,
compete as a captain?
Oh, yeah, do you?
Yes.
yes, I do get to compete as a captain.
She's not so biased after all.
No.
Unbiased. Biased?
And what
No.
team will you be swimming for, Margaret?
Margaret's. Yeah. I feel like I'll do some in the experience and then some in the just for the house.
And if you were to give some advice to the year 6s to year 12s,
Yep.
what would you tell them to be prepared for the big splash, or some reminders that they don't forget for the big splash?
I would say if you need your goggles, definitely bring those.
Bring
you
those
don't want
goggles.
to be forgetting those. And if you need any support while you're swimming, always like ask a teacher, raise your hand. And I would just say have a go at all the races. They're
Yeah.
always so much fun. And you just get to do it with your friends. That's the best part about it.
So I'll be seeing us in the pool?
Of course.
In the pool, and what are we dressing up as?
So currently, I don't know if my friends are going to be too happy about me revealing our secret dress-up
Oh.
plans. But I was talking to Miss Dilga this morning, and I'm thinking maybe I'll just pretend that I was born in 2002 so that I can go as Kim Possible.
Oh!
Because I've got the pants, I've got the shirt, and she's
Yep.
so cool.
Impossible? Who are you gonna stay as Emma Wiggle, or do we have something in the works?
No, we have something in the works.
And is this a secret?
For now, I think it is, but you'll just have to come to Swimming Carnival,
You'll have to
the
stay
Big
tuned.
Splash, to
And Big
find
Splash
out.
and see?
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm dressing up as yet, but it's going to be a surprise. And what are our best dressed prizes?
Ooh, they're still to be announced.
I hope
guess
they're bringing
we're
back
fighting for them.
Animal Wars.
Yeah, Animal Wars will be here this year.
So what is Animal Wars about?
So you're on an inflatable. It's 2 people. So one's going to be on the inflatable,
Mm-hmm.
and then one's in the water pushing the inflatable along.
So what kind of animals do we have on the Animal Wars?
So there's the whale, the flamingo, and then
Koala?
Koala.
koala? No,
Flamingo?
koala.
Unicorn.
been a while.
Unicorn. We've got a
That's what-
unicorn.
yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
so I want the unicorn.
Yeah.
We'll see who gets unicorn.
Yes.
It'll be me to win. That's who it'll be.
So leave a comment and tell us who you think is going to take the Big Splash Cup this year.
Well, I really don't have a house, but secretly I'm going for St. Margaret's.
See, I'm definitely going St. Teresa's, but you never know if St. Anne's or St. Clair's are going to swing
We'll
through.
see who picks up with the points. But before that, we'll see you all at Colour Fun Run next Friday and the Big Splash later this term. See ya.
See ya.